Hi all. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is plotting with PyPlot. Something related to data visualization or pictorial representation of data in Python. As we all know that pictorial representation, something visual, is always better than some only numeric data. If data analysts they want to take decision for from a huge amount of data, then it will be very difficult for them actually. So in that place, if they can see something, they can view something in front of their eyes, if some pictorial representation of data is present, then that is always better option. For this, under Python, one means library is present. One library is present. The library name is matplotlib. Matplotlib. Let me write for you. Matplotlib. This is one library that is present in Python for some ready-made functions related to some 2D plotting. Okay, and under these library there is PyPlot, a collection of those methods that will be useful for doing this type of plotting. So before you want to do some plotting from the data using Python programming, you have to import those library with those collection of methods. For that, at the very first line of this program, I have written matplotlib.pyplot. So this is the library, and PyPlot is a collection of methods for our 2D plotting. Okay, so though I have written one full program for you, but through this program only we'll learn the today we'll learn line plot. How to do line plot, that we are going to learn today. So today our topic is line plot. So at the very first you can check that there are two sequences of data A and B. Okay, we are going to plot these data in x and y axis. Okay, so as a class 12 students, you are very much familiar with this line plot actually, but using Python, how to do that we are going to learn. So in Python, to do line plot, in Python, one ready-made function is there. The function name is plot function, P-L-O-T, plot. Okay, and how we are going to use this one? We have already imported this library as PL, the alias name. Now we have to write PL.plot. PL.plot, as an argument, what are you sending? The data that is with us, A and B, A comma B. Only this much if we will do, then you will see that one straight line is coming, joining those points. How the points will be plotted? 1, x-axis 1, y-axis 2, 1, 2, 1 point. Then 2, 4, 1 point. Then 3, 6, 1 point. And then 4, 8, 1 point. And those points will be joined actually. We all are familiar with this type of plotting. So now Python is doing for us this one. So pl.plot, then A comma B. Now suppose you want to give some labeling in x and y axis. How will do? For that also ready-made function is present. Function name is xlabel. Under this matplotlib.pyplot. pl.xlabel, whatever you want to label in x-axis. I have written only x-axis as a string within inverted comma. Same like y-label. Y-axis labeling, pl.ylabel, y-axis. Okay. Now if you want to give some heading, okay, to this plot, you have to use this function, title function, pl.title. And here also as a string you just pass. As an argument you pass any string. So I have given line plot. Now the picture will be like this. X-axis, y-axis, one line, and the line plot. The name of this plot as a title we have given. Now here when the line will be there, you will not be able to see the point specifically, means 1 and 2 joining point actually will not be able to see, only one straight line will come. If you want to see those points, actually those points, you have to pass some more argument. Okay, you have to pass some more argument. So that we will do now. Suppose I want to see those points, so PL dot plot A comma B. Okay, now I have to pass one argument marker, and suppose I want to see those marker type, means at those points I want to see some star type symbol, asterisk sign. So what I'll do, marker equal to, so there are different symbols available, so there is a list in your book, you can check that one, I'll send the picture also. So I am using only star for means right now. Now suppose you want to make the size bigger or smaller, so you can give any specific size also. So what is the command, what is the argument, the marker size equal to, suppose I am giving 10. Okay, you can make it big, you can give 5, you can give 7, 8, or means you can make it more big like 20, anything, any value you can give, comma. Now suppose you want to give some color, some marker edge color you want to give. So what is the argument for this one, marker edge color. Okay, suppose I am giving marker edge color red. If we are not specifying this marker edge color, then the whole marker and all the line will take the same color only, and by default Python will give that color. Okay, otherwise you can change the marker edge color like this. If marker will be bigger, you will be able to see that some edge color is something different than actual, means inside those edges what is the marker color actually. So marker edge color, if the marker size is smaller, then everything, means whole marker with this marker edge color will will be of same color. Now suppose I want to change the line, means color line, I want to change the color of the line. Here the marker edge color we are changing, but if you want to change the color of the line, then how to pass the argument, you have to write PL dot plot A comma B. Suppose I want to give the color blue to this line, or I want to use some different color. Suppose I want to give the color of the line also red, then I have to write like this, A B R. Okay, so today we have learned up to this. So you came to know that how to make your plot, means something beautiful, not only for looking purpose, but for better understanding also. So today up to this. Thank you.